Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. Hey, how you doing? I done certified for luscious. Hey guys, I want to do a big unboxing of all of the items I brought from Prime. Now here is a disclaimer. Even though this is a tech channel, the items may not tickle your fanny because you come here for tech. But I'm going to explain why I have the items I got. Alright, so let's jump into the unboxing. Connected Test quickly become my favorite IPTV service. Connected will allow you to stream up to 2 devices for $14 and 5 devices for $25 a month. That's right, only $14, 2 devices, or 5 devices at $25 a month. They give you the option to view the APK several ways: APK 1, APK 2, and my favorite, and I recommend to you guys, APK 3. And if you don't have an Android Fire Stick device, you can always view it on their web player if you have an iOS device. Connected to the source, guys. One of the best, no, I dare say it is the best IPTV service. Alright guys, so this is the box that I got from Amazon. Excuse the audio if I sound muffled at times. I'm be doing a little bending over to get in this box. Alright, so this is what I got from Prime Day. This is not all of it, but some of the things I got. Now you're gonna be surprised because this is a tech channel, and well, let's not get into that. Let's just see what the first thing we have up in here. So what's the first thing I got from Prime Day, guys? Go ahead and adjust it a little more. Get out our trusted knife. If you're looking at my thumb, had an accident. Basically I drilled a hole in it. All right, so let's open up this box. Let me adjust the brightness on the camera. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. Let's trust the knife out. I'm always accident prone, guys. It's a long story. How I drilled a hole in my thumb last night. If you follow me on Instagram, sort of tell the story. So here it is. The first thing for Prime Day. It's going to be the Echo Show 8. Got a little glare on there. So here's the Echo Show 8. Here, get that out there. Now, I have a video on the Echo Show 5 when it came out, and how you can watch like YouTube and I think Netflix and IPTV on there. So I'm gonna link that video in the description below. So there you have it, man. The Echo Show 8. One of the things I got. Right, the next thing I got on Prime Day. It's gonna be in here. Put that to the side. All right, guys, so it is the camera. Now, this camera was a combination with the Echo Show 5 and this camera. I think it was like $70 or $69. So this little mini camera, guys, was the package for Prime Day that they was offering. So that's absolutely cool, man. That's wonderful right there. That little camera. Go ahead and check it out. So moving right along. What else did we get for Prime Day? Now this is where it starts the detour from the tech. Start the detour from the tech. If you follow the channel, you know why. Go ahead and open that up. And what do we have here? We have a set of professional knives, guys. Now this is going to be great when I be doing my cooking videos on the grill. Look how that just opened up. Zip this open, guys. Everything I need will be found right here in this knife set. So all kind of different knives up in here. Very, very sharp. So I look forward to doing videos with this. And because I'm so accident prone, where did I put it? I went ahead and brought these also. Now what are these? These are cut-proof gloves. So if you cutting something with a sharp knife, guys, these gloves is going to keep you from injuring yourself severely. Okay, so look, gloves. Probably should have had this on last night. There you have it, guys. So we look forward to some content with this. Up next, we have another cutting board. My wife asked me, well, how many cutting boards you going to get? Well, I told her, you need several cutting boards, especially when you're doing a big meal. Like if I'm doing briskets and ribs and stuff, I need cutting board where I'm prepping my meat, right? I got my briskets and stuff on, cooking, smoking, 12, 15 hours. My ribs on there, 6-7 hours. And I'm about to put some chicken on there because I'm about to pull the ribs or the brisket off. I need a cutting board to where I'm prepping at. Then I need another cutting board to take the meat off to let it rest. You know, and then you need a third cutting board where you want to just, after you cut your meat, after your meat rests, put it on there to cut your meat, presentation and stuff, and serving purposes. So you need several cutting boards. At least that's what I told her. Okay, what else we got up in here? Can't barbecue, guys, without no spice. Look at that. So we got some rub, man. Some dry rub right here. Some honey chipotle, killer bee dry rub. Never used it before, but we're gonna see how it come out, guys. So we got that. And also, last but not least, we got a grilling mat. So what this mat does, you go ahead and you put this on your grill, and it's basically like 9-stick. Keeps your food from sticking on your grill, making cleanup easier. So definitely if I'm doing like a messy cook, right? If I'm smoking something for a couple of hours, probably can put a brisket on there, depending on how big it is. You know, or if I want to cook something on a high temperature, and I don't want all the juices just to go to the bottom of my grill, I can kind of manage it a little better with this. So a grill mat. So as you can tell, for Prime Day, I got a lot of stuff for the grill, and that means that I'm going to do some more cooking. I'm thinking about taking my old channel, Bath the Minister, and converting it to that cooking channel we've been talking about. The thing is, guys, is getting the time to do it. Now, I'm going to do a video by the end of this week on why I haven't been doing a lot more streaming related videos. And I'm still going to be doing them, but why, as a businessman and as a brand, why it's not feasible or profitable for me to do that at this time. But I'm going to do a review on this. I'm going to do our regular review on here. We are a tech channel, you know, headphone reviews or whatever. The things that's not in, I don't have the Fire Tablet 10 that I ordered. That should be coming in soon. And I don't have my headphones. That should be coming in soon. And I also have a digital thermometer, a probe for when I'm cooking on the grill. That should be coming in soon. So when those things get in, probably do individual reviews. I'll make a mention of them in later videos. So there you have it, guys. That's what I got for Prime Day. I spent about $300-400. All right, guys, welcome back. So there you have it. That's everything I have. Like you said in the unboxing, I got a lot of cooking stuff because I am attempting to start another channel. I'm thinking about cooking with tech or cooking with technology, something like that, because most of the stuff that I use to cook have some form of tech in it. I have an old channel, Bath the Minister, probably going to be converting that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have or hire people out to like make like my intro, to make like my artwork, you know, your banners and stuff like that, and start doing some more branding behind the scenes. So that's probably about 4 months away. But in the meantime, I'm gonna keep on getting stuff from Amazon. And guys, before we go, this just came in. So the headphones are in, the Sony headphones. If you want to see a review on this, let me know. Hey, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.